Gizmo Times. This is the Vivo S1, and in this video we are going to quickly give you an overview of the design and also the specifications of the phone. This won't have our early thoughts or anything about it, only to let you know what all the phone powers and comes with. And so let's start. Firstly, this is one of the color variants called the Skyline Blue, and it actually looks great. It has those striations toward the back, the gradient design, but not the vertical one. It's the cross gradient. You can see the colors changing there when we project it against the light. There's a triple rear camera combination on the back. The camera's overview is separately given in our channel. You can check that out with the link that is given above. And it's a triple rear camera combination with the top one being the 8 megapixel wide angle camera, the second one being the 16 megapixel f1.78 camera, and the third one is a 2 megapixel depth sensing camera. And there's a Vivo branding towards the bottom. The bottom of the phone has the micro USB port and also the headphone jack and the speaker grill. There's buttons on the side and there's nothing on the top. On the left there's the SIM card access tray as well as the dedicated button for the Google Assistant or the voice assistant. And now let's talk about the main specs of this phone. On the front, this phone has about a 6.38 inch display, which is a Full HD Plus display, and it is the Super AMOLED display. And next, what you have internally is the Helio P65 chipset that comes with the Mali G52 GPU, and the phone is 8.13 mm thick, and along with that, the weight of the phone is 179 grams. That is thanks to the 4500 mAh battery that powers the phone. And along with that 4500 mAh battery, there's the 18-watt dual engine fast charge technology that is given in this device. And along with that, you have the FunTouch OS based on Android 9 Pie. We'll be doing a quick tips and tricks video to let you know about what you can do with this phone, what you can do with these kind of main features. So that will be a separate tips and tricks video that you could do separately, that you can check out separately actually. And apart from that, the camera application ad we had shown in the camera's overview as well has a plethora of options. You have AI beauty, you have panorama, and also you have the fun video option. AR stickers are given here. So quite a lot of things that you can do with the rear camera, and not just with the rear, even with the front. You have a 32 megapixel selfie camera that's with the f2.0 aperture. So that's also something that would be helping in better selfies as well as in video calls. So that is the front facing camera that is present here. That's the dew drop notch or the water drop notch. Above that is the earpiece grill located towards the top. And there are variants 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, and a dedicated microSD card slot is given for the storage expansion on this device. It is a dual SIM card device, so you'll have support for two 4G SIMs together, and they won't be issue anyway that way. And with the sensors, this has accelerometer, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, e-compass, as well as the gyroscope. So gyroscope is the virtual gyroscope, and that would help in gaming. And for the security, the last part about it is that it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and along with that you have the face unlock as well. There'll be a separate video done about the fingerprint sensor on this device, and that would be helpful in the security options. And we'll let you know the entire performance of that separately, but here it was just a quick overview of what all the phone comes with and what all it offers. So this is that in-display fingerprint sensor. We'll be showing you the entire performance of it later, and this phone also comes with the ultra gaming mode for the gamers. Vivo's been doing quite a lot of things for gamers, especially for the PUBG mobile gamers, so this should also be offering the same. We'll be doing the gaming review on 7th of August, so stay tuned for that as well, and subscribe to Gizmo Times for all the videos that will be coming out on that day. So this was a quick overview of the Vivo S1, the quick specs overview to let you know what all the phone powers and what all it comes with. And this is one of the color options. There's another color which also looks interesting, and you could wait for that, and we'll show you that color as well on 7th of August. So this was all about it. I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.